All right, let them know what we're doing on.
We're hopefully doing this for the last time.
Got the rear end going back together. I don't know if we showed any of this on camera because it's going to be kind of a lapse of just trying to get stuff done. Though we added 1.25 inches to widen this rear end out because our shock was hitting over here and a couple other constraints we had that now we should be angled.
You see how much extra room we have?
And it appears that what we did worked because there's room there. And the other problem we had was room right here. It looks like it's good there. But we're gonna slap that together. We got a new CV for the one we blew out. This thing's looking pretty good. We got front springs on the way so it's not clapped out like this. And the other task for today is head gasket. We've got the gasket, old one's pulled. We got to slap a new one in there and a bunch of other gaskets, and then should be mint.
Are we going wrap?
Oh yeah, this thing is going to rip after about the next week.
Next week.
Paint by August 7th. That's my objective for the summer. I can't promise it won't just be rattle canning it.
Over top of August 7th of next year or the year after.
One of these August 7th, it's going to be painted. We'll cut to some time lapse now, finishing this rear end. All right, we're jacking her up even further. Look at this thing now. She is a absolute beefcake in the back. I mean, that is a wide girl right there. We are gonna absolutely, there's straps on the shocks. So she's got a little bit of preload. We're just gonna drop this thing as hard as we can just to make sure she's all bolted together tight.
Ready?
Yup, I'm ready. Oh.
Easy.
She's a little low on the right. Oh, well, we almost propped the shocks.
Yeah.
I was like, damn, that thing is sitting low. I'm scared of this now.
Ready?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm scared that ratchet strap's gonna take somebody's teeth out. Don't those pop if you just straighten all the way out? So just do that and then push it down from like a distance. Oh, there you go. Maybe we should lower the ride height a little bit.
That helped that much.
We're looking a little low all of a sudden. I think we try picking it up a little bit and see if it just sank and put a hand under that.
Oh, we gotta take them down again. Right back to where they were.
But that's not bad. All our adjustability is down right now. That's kind of soft, not gonna lie. This thing, I don't know if there's a video, if I can put it in there or not. This thing was a rock before we widened it out by 1.25 inches.
I say we gotta drop it right now.
Gosh. I mean, the straps are on there already.
Straps are already around it. Let's just do it.
Damn, this thing isn't gonna get any lighter back here either.
What?
I guess it's not gonna get any heavier, really.
Just a little bit of cage and that's it.
Guess we're gonna lower the ride height now, right back to where it was.
Well.
All right, quick ride height change. We took it from those 2 holes down all the way to those 2 holes.
So hopefully we don't have to move it up again.
Yeah, hopefully this isn't now a monster truck.
Ready?
Nope.
Okay.
It really didn't sink much.
Huh?
I don't know. I guess we just preloaded the hell out of it. That's insane that makes that much of a difference.
Yeah, it really is.
That's too high.
Well, we gotta let go of the shit shocks too. Well,
That's gonna push it up even further. Well, we are not good at subtle movements. We went from bottomed out and like the softest springs to absolutely 45-degree angle CVs. Otherwise, I'd be totally fine with this. But that
yeah, how's it
CV.
roll now? Still. Oh, brother, it actually rolls still because of our geometry change.
Yeah. I seen a picture of something with CVs at a really steep angle the other day.
Dude, I'm telling you, like the side by side, they have their angles are literally like that. But bro, like that's rolling with like little to no effort. Before, it wouldn't even do that.
I think we had a CV that was bad. Because it used to be when we ran the CVs at this angle, it would just bind and not let us turn the wheels.
All right. Well, I still think we take it up one more.
One or two.
This one.
Right. So yeah, that's good. That gives us a higher ride height, better spring angle. As you can see, it up lower. Whew.
You getting close?
Yeah, it's gonna hit.
How close are we on that side?
Real close.
Oh, brother, we're good. Especially if we take it up one more. Let me see. Ready?
It might have been bottoming out on that.
Yep.
You're not even compressing the spring when you do.
But I mean, I can see from here that it's moving away from it.
Okay.
Here, you can stand up there and see. Let me get the camera. I'll put it right there. Your fingers. See it? The other side, it's got plenty of clearance because we do
And as it
everything.
goes down, it's gonna swing into the thinner part of the shop.
Right, so it'll swing. Yeah.
It's like we designed this stuff, you know?
Well, it's like we designed it and then redid it and then designed it and then redid it. It's a never-ending process. All right.
Measure
Round 3.
absolutely 0 times, cut a lot of times. That's the way we maxed this.
Yep. BRB.
All right, third time's the charm. Here we go. I like it. That looks pretty good ride height.
Let's see how she feels. Ready?
Oh yeah. I'm into that.
Yeah, can't complain about that whatsoever.
Decent CV angles, but not like scary that we're gonna blow up CVs.
Okay, now the question, we gotta let go of the shock.
Yeah, as soon as it's probably gonna monster truck here in a second.
Yeah, we're gonna let go of the shock like, okay, let's move it up one more. Ready?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. I dig it. Because with both of us in it, it's gonna go right back down to there.
Well, here. Just come over here and stand on the side, on that side.
Right?
Yep. Did not go down very much.
What?
I don't know, man. That's a tall CV angle.
I don't think it's any higher than what it was.
Than it was, and what, like
before, when we were driving it.
Well, yeah, and we blew up a CV. I think it might be one more hole up, brother. Fourth time will be the charm. I'm not taking it too far. We only went one more notch, but it really feels like that was a big difference.
Ready?
Fourth time. Let's see. Pretty low, but we also got to pop the springs.
Ready?
Yep. The problem is we're changing the ride height, the preload, and I guess just the ride height and the preload. The preload is a big difference.
Come on, get down. Get down. It's not clicking into place now. This fresh trap might have seen its final day.
Yeah, That's one of them good Harbor Freight ones. That's fun.
Okay, that
baby.
was broken.
She's seen 1,000 fucking pound springs too many times. I'm into that. We'll see how it is if you bouncing up on it. But
What are you saying?
huh?
What are you saying?
Oh, perfect.
Let's stand on the sides.
That's pretty good. I mean, we'll see once we start jumping, and we might stiffen her up a little bit. But
Here, let's stand on the top bar and see if we can't get the bottom out. 1, 2, 3. Nope, it's not bottoming out.
I mean, that's a good 400 pounds bouncing up and down on it.
Yeah.
And she's staying good. I mean, we might take it down one more later, but for now, I don't want to break CVs while we're trying to test everything. You know, we got to put this motor back together, and I want to know that the motor's working good, not that their CVs are moaning. Hell yeah, time to get some motor work